Since today is my daughter's graduation, my husband and I decided to treat her to a fine dining into a special place. Not a typical restaurant, but on a sanctuary. But before that, let me show you a short clip of her graduation ceremony. Since one parent or guardian is allowed to attend the ceremony, so we took a whole family picture only in the house. Okay, there you go. Angel Fields Nature Sanctuary, a place where you can celebrate, rest, connect, reconnect, restore, or re-energize. This is a Holy Family Pavilion. The gate of entry is prayer. Such a silent place. Here you can see an amazing rock structural wall. By the way, I'm reading every verse on the wall. We are on our way going to the restaurant. That is a Holy Family hand structure. You can really witness the beauty of nature here with small lake, ducks, chickens, sheep. We are now at the restaurant at Cocina Bernardo. While waiting for the order, we took random shots. There you go, it's eating time. So sad, we're supposed to feed the farm animals here, but there you go, it's raining. The children has no option but to resort to playing games on the cell phone.
Hey, I want the mitra. This ours here. Our Roblox. What's the our Roblox? Roblox.
Okay, get the money.
Hang on the Roblox. Hang on
You want
the
another Roblox?
Nana Roblox. Okay, let's go then. Yes, go it.
Oops, it's Daddy and I moment. He did find time taking a picture of me. Captured his moment. Oh, so cute. Now with the four of us. Our back is an event place. These are the places that a must need to visit here, but due to lack of time, we failed to do so. Now showing you the menu here. A bit pricey but worth it. And this is their location.